Welcome to the Tech Nexus. In today's video, we're going to talk about the rise and fall of one of the first Android smartphone makers, HTC. HTC started out as a manufacturer of Windows mobile devices but made a name for itself in the Android market with innovative designs and features. HTC's phones were known for their premium build quality, excellent audio, and unique features like the boom sound speakers and ultra-pixel cameras. However, HTC struggled to keep up with competitors like Samsung and Motorola, who offered better products, marketing, and pricing. Despite releasing a few impressive phones like the HTC One, the company failed to capture the attention of consumers, leading to a decline in sales. HTC's decline was also due to a series of poor business decisions, such as releasing too many models, losing key talent, investing in VR instead of mobile, and selling part of its smartphone division to Google. These decisions hurt HTC's reputation and left it struggling to keep up in the competitive smartphone market. Today, HTC's focus is on niche markets like blockchain phones and 5G routers. While the company has some innovative products, it remains to be seen if it can make a comeback in the smartphone industry. HTC's future prospects are uncertain, but the company is continuing to innovate and try new things. That's the rise and fall of HTC. A cautionary tale of losing focus, failing to adapt, and making poor decisions. Comment below your thoughts on HTC's future prospects. Thank you for watching this Tech Nexus video. Please consider subscribing for future uploads. Have a great day.